welcome back to my channel. I am rolling solo again with this one, y'all, but we're going to do the bleeding control skill sheet. Let's see, let's get this party started. So the wound is going to be to his left arm. It's going to be bright red spurt blood. BSI seems safe. I am going to put direct pressure with a gloved hand. It continues to bleed through. I'm going to apply the tourniquet. At least 2 to 4 inches. I'm going high and tight. Making sure that's there. I am going to turn the windlass until bleeding stops and the pulse disappears. I'm going to pop it into the cradle or pull that across. I'm going to put a time on here. Add a pressure dressing. My patient is showing signs of shock. I am going to lay him supine, high flow oxygen, 15 liters per minute, depending on his breathing rate. I am either going to do a breather or a BBM. I am going to elevate his legs, and I'm going to keep him warm and immediate transport to the hospital. That's the skill. Have a great day.